enjoyed family law for the fact that my clients were people, not companies, not entities.
More Schulman Moore Partner, Julie Westerman, never forgets that people are at the very heart of why she practices law.
I think it's the fact that I feel that I'm helping individuals. Clients are just normal people that are going through a really rough time. So I think helping them through it, navigate it, kind of trying to give them the best advice. Also, the best is to avoid litigation so that they can, one, come to a resolution faster, also not spend substantial amounts of their money, because that's what they're going to end up with to move forward.
Leading others to overcome challenges is nothing new to Julie. She earned her law degree from California Western School of Law. While finishing her undergraduate studies in political science and sociology at the University of California, San Diego, she was captain of the tennis team.
Once you get out on the court, the nerves go away. You can't be stressed, you're just focusing in on the match. I'm just going to deal with what's in front of me, and you kind of forget the stress. And I think that's kind of how I still approach my cases. I mean, you can stress about your case, but once you're in court, once your trial starts, if you know the facts, then it's almost on autopilot.
But there are some lessons from the tennis court that don't apply to the courtroom.
I've had clients ask me my win-loss record, and there is no win-loss in family law. I mean, if you walk away with an agreement and both parties are not completely happy, then you have a fair settlement agreement, because both parties have to give and compromise to come to an agreement.
When it comes to family issues, Julie says the best advice is hard for many people to actually act on.
So it is trying to guide and advise my clients to say, look, sometimes you might have to let go of the small things, because let's look at the big picture. For the sake of your kids, or sake for the fact that this is going to be someone that's still going to be in your life, even though you're no longer married to them.
She says there are some things that people can actually do to help their divorce go more smoothly.
I think it's being forthcoming with us. I mean, we're your advocate, but we need to know all the skeletons, right? Tell us the information up front, because then we can then know how to deal with it. It's still a very emotional issue or area, so I think, when emotion is driving the requests, they're not always sometimes reasonable, and so that does make some of the cases hard.
A first-generation American of Russian immigrants, Julie values family and finds it rewarding when she can help other families move past their legal issues and get on with their lives.
The appreciation that you do get from the clients, ultimately when you get their case resolved or you get them some closure, and so that is rewarding.